Greetings traders, it is Friday, July 27th, 2018, and I told all of you charting subscribers that I wasn't going to be trading today, but I got home earlier than expected, and I just got home, so I am going to look for and take the main code 2, and I'm going to take this trade. This should be the same trade that all of you are taking as well. So anyway, I'll be back once I've taken entry. I've got a short entry here, stop at 69.76. Here's what the daily looks like, and if the stop gets hit, I will take a long position. That'll mean that the code is offset. It just came one tick away from the stop here. See if that's going to hold or if it's going to go hit the stop. If it's going to hit the stop, it'll actually be good because it'll be an up day today, which will actually be good. See here on the daily, it looks good for it to go up. So if it hits the stop, it's probably better that it hits the stop and goes long rather than go back down again. Anyway, I'll come back. Okay, it hit the stop and I'm in the long position here. Reset the stop. Be back. Stop being set to 69.65. Verifying the stop. Yes, stop is correct. 69.65. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, this thing is getting a little bit crazy on me. Welcome to Fridays. It just hit the stop again. So now we've had another break, so I'm back in short again. Crazy trade. Thing doesn't know which way it wants to go. Alright, I got a 100 tick exit on this, but I don't think it's going to make 100 ticks today. But you never know, it might. I'm going to wait for it to see how much it wants to go down. And let's see, where is the bottom of it? The bottom is at 69.26. 26. It's like right next to the bottom. There is no bar there, basically. Anyway, it's really super tight. Ridiculously tight, unbelievably tight. You know, sometimes Fridays are like this and they're really bad, really choppy, really bad. You lose all your money on Fridays. And sometimes Fridays are really super good, super easy. You never can tell really which one it's going to be. That's the problem. But last Friday was really tight, so I told all my charting subscribers to watch out for another tight Friday, which this one could be it. Anyway, I've got it short. I'm going for 100 ticks. I'm probably going to back that off to about maybe 60 ticks or so. I'll be back. Okay, the trade is starting to move down here a bit. We'll see how far down it wants to go. I want to see it go down and break this low, obviously. Go down lower than that. And we'll see how far it wants to slide down. I got a 100 tick exit on it, but I probably won't be able to get it. But, you know, anything's possible. So anyway, I'll be back. Dropping down pretty good here now. May be able to hit 100 ticks. Looking pretty darn good. Entry wasn't easy, though. Made it very tricky. Anyway, the exit is set down to 68.63, so quite a ways to go before I would hit that. 68.63 is right about here. So it needs to come right down here on the chart in order to hit that exit, 100 ticks. Anyway, it very well may do it. It's moving down very good right now. Better than I had anticipated. And so now the possibility of it hitting 100 ticks is increased quite a bit. Anyway, I will come back. I hope it doesn't die out like it did yesterday, but it might. It's a possibility it could die out here and not really do much, but there is a pretty decent chance still it'll make a move down. I don't know if it's going to come down and break this low or not. Hopefully it will. But I can't really say because it's Friday and it's tightening up on the chart. Take a look. See the daily here? You got a small bar right there, and this one is even smaller so far. So it's tightening up on the daily right now. Now that may change, it may come on down. Make a nice day today. Still hoping it's going to do it. But it also could just as easily, and even easier perhaps, just stay nice and tight. Stay within this range that it's already made. Not go lower, not go higher. And be a real tight, choppy day. Although, if you take a look at the 1 minute, it wasn't so choppy before, but it's choppy now. And then back to the 10 minute, you can see the chop in here. And the daily, you know, it's in the middle of the bar, in the middle of the high, the middle of the low. It's not really going anywhere. And so it's a tight, choppy day. Good chance it's just going to stay like this. I'm going to give it a little while longer. Maybe, what time is it, 8:52? I don't know, maybe like another hour or so. It doesn't make a move, doesn't come down, I'm just going to get out. But I'm probably also not going to go for 100. I don't know what I'm going to go for to 60. Nah, maybe I'll go for like 50, 60 ticks, something like that. Let's just call it. Yeah, well, it depends. If it's already down there, I'll go for more. But if it's still up here somewhere, you know, I'll maybe go for just like 50 ticks. Yeah, why don't I go ahead and do that? I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the exit down to 69.13 for 50 ticks. And that puts me right there. I'll take it down to 03. Let's go for 60 ticks. Alright, 60 ticks. But I have a feeling I'm probably going to be getting out manually anyway. It does not feel like it's going to make any kind of a move here to me. Like it's just going to die out. But could be wrong, and it might make a move. I'll give it a little while longer, and then I'll come back and manually exit if it hasn't moved. I'll be back. Okay, I see it came down to 15 right there. It may continue to go down, but I don't really think so. It's going to die out here probably. So I'm just going to jump out. Okay, so I'm out of the trade and done for the week. Last couple of days have been pretty tight on the market. Hopefully next week it'll pick back up again. And I think it probably will. So anyway, it's been good summer so far. And I'll be back next week on Monday to do some more trading, code trading, and to show the world just how amazingly accurate the codes actually are. Because if you didn't see it for yourself, you would never believe it. Anyway, I will be back on Monday. Have a great weekend, everyone.